welcome to my channel. This is Nishi and you're watching True Tarot. Okay guys, so today we are going to see what's coming up for Capricorns. Let's see what is coming up for the remaining month of July for Capricorns. This is just to say that these readings are just general. They may or may not resonate to each and everyone. So whatever it resonates to you, just take it and leave the rest. Okay? So come on, let's start for Capricorns. Your first card is Ace of Swords. Wonderful guys, with the Ace of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune at the bottom of the deck. Some clarity is coming towards you, something that will turn the wheel. Maybe it will be in your favor, or something like it starts moving to another direction. The thing is, with this clarity coming, might be right now you're not moving ahead or you have stopped to see what's coming up. So here with this clarity, you'll move forward with it and you will be the one who will turn the wheel. Like you will be the one who will be handling the steering wheel, because here I can see that the Wheel of Fortune is there with this Ace of Swords. So something is coming towards you and you are taking it forward to it. You can see here the crown, also the crown energy, the crowning glory. The hand how it is coming from the clouds, the clarity. You can see this sword is both the sides sharp, like it's cut it, like whatever it is, any obstacle, if it is there in your way or something, you will break it up, you will cut it off and you will move ahead to your Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so very nice, good Capricorns. Let us see your second card. Your second card is the Hierophant. The Hierophant, and at the bottom of the deck I have got Three of Swords, guys. The Hierophant, you can take it someone who's at a place of authority, a teacher figure, someone who you go to up to for your questions and everything. Here I would say maybe this card also says about some kinds of customs, traditions, maybe something orthodox related to something. So that kind of thing might come up to you, maybe some kind of agreement or some old orthodox, some kind of something is there that will come towards you that will break your heart. Like you can see here the three swords are pierced in the heart. So something that will give you pain. Like you were not aware of it, or you were not thinking it in that way. Maybe with the modern times and everything, you were not aware of it. Either you were aware of it, but you must be thinking it won't come in your way or whatever it is. But something it is there that is coming which is related to customs, traditions, something, any contract or something it could be also. So that might give you some sort of pain or something. I would see it something major, because see, if I get this card with any another sword card or something else, I would say it is very painful, it is very this thing or that. But here I'm not seeing it as if it is very much crucial or something like this, but something it is there that will give you pain, that will break your heart, or it will come as a thing that will like stun you for the moment. Like you must be thinking what, because of this tradition, because of this commitment or something like this, it'll hold you for a second. Okay, let's see what else. Maybe with the Wheel of Fortune, what I have seen earlier, with the clarity you're getting, somebody must be coming up with some customs and traditions that will wow, wonderful. So your third card is the card what is in the middle of your reading is Wheel of Fortune, and here it says about Six of Swords. Here I can see this card says something about moving forward, if you can say, or leaving something behind and going ahead. This card has the mixed feeling. I can connect this card with the Death card also, because it says about the transition. It says about from one place to another, moving on from the turbulent waters to the calmer waters. And as I have seen the Three of Swords also, some pain is coming towards you, something is going to like tear your heart into pieces. So maybe you want to go ahead, you want to leave the situation and go. With the Wheel of Fortune and Six of Swords, what I feel is it could be a relocation, it could be something that is for your betterment also, because on the other side you might see something good that is waiting for you. The Wheel of Fortune is there, so definitely something good is waiting for you. But right now, from where you are leaving, what things you're leaving behind, you're not that much happy about it. You must be connected to it, must be emotionally connected or something like that. You can see how the lady, the child is there, little this thing, but the transition is required. The shifting from one place to another, or something like packing your bags and going, like that kind of a thing. With the Wheel of Fortune, I won't see anything wrong is there. On the other side, you're definitely going to get something good. Okay, I can see here one card is good, one card is little, it's coming kind of a mixed thing. Yeah. Okay, Capricorns, now let's see what's your next card. Nine of Swords. Okay, with the Justice. Okay, here I feel that you are worried about something, too much worried about you, something, some guilt I can see here. Something is there that you are horrified by. Maybe somebody is angry with you. Here I can see the Justice card, somebody is coming, so be prepared and be ready if anything is there in the past that went wrong or what. Be prepared to answer to the person, because this person is angry, he's at an authoritative place, he's coming to maybe question you a lot, or you're terrified by that only. You are terrified, you are scared, you're in stress, you're fighting your demons. The thing is, this is it, you're hiding your face, I can see. But the thing is, the justice will be served. If you're not wrong over the part, then you don't have to worry about anything. Or if anything is it there, any minor mistake or something it is there, then you must admit it to it. You should admit it. You should come by yourself ahead and take the responsibility of your actions. The justice says that only, to take the responsibility of your actions. Don't run away from it. So this is that only. I can see that some angry, maybe some person is there or is coming towards you. So be prepared for it. Don't be in this stressful situation, hiding your face, having the sleepless nights and everything. This is like disturbing you quite a lot. You're really disturbed about the entry of somebody who will come and ask questions to you. Your last card is Knight of Cups. Good. With the Moon. Okay. The Knight of Cups. The Knight is bringing something for you, any kind of a message or something, it is there. But it has, like, the Moon card is there. It might, like, if you're accepting this cup or some message, whatever it is coming to you, then there are something, the things that are behind the wheel. Like some secrets are there, the things that are hidden from you, some disappointment. Capricorns, here I'll see right from the beginning, what I have seen is, in the beginning it was good, the Ace of Swords that will lead you to your Wheel of Fortune. While going towards there, you maybe met with like the Hierophant or something, who maybe made some, you might have made some commitment or something in the past or something. Because of that, you right now you don't want to go ahead with that commitment or something like that. That's why the Three of Swords, that the heart piercing thing was there. And again, in between, in the middle of the reading, what I have got is Wheel of Fortune only. So definitely there is something related to the fortune, whatever the thing it is coming here. So because of this only, you're getting the sleepless nights. Maybe you have priorly committed it to somebody to give a share of it, or it could be anything. It's not necessarily what I'm saying it. The thing is, whatever cards are in front of me, whatever the story I can see, I'm telling you accordingly. So it could be that, and you don't want to share it up with anyone, or maybe you have taken it on your own for the fortune. That's why you're getting the nightmares, you're hiding your face, you're worried about somebody who will come and question you. You will have to take responsibilities of your actions. The Justice card, if I can see. And here with the Knight of Cups, some message is coming towards you. And that message holds lots of secrets here. I can see lots of secrets are there. The disappointments are also there. So think carefully about your situation, because cards are little. I just broke the deck to see what's coming up, and here I got it again, the Justice. So Capricorns, the justice will be served. Whatever it is, just take responsibility of your actions. Whatever it is done, if you have to give something, any guilt is there, you need to go up over it. You need to get over from your guilt. So do whatever it is needed for that part, and make yourself free of all this stress and everything. Disappointment, justice, Three of Swords. Okay, let's see what message is coming up for my Capricorns. I've got here the card fake. Don't trust everything you see. Even salt look like sugar. So here I'll say something fake is coming towards you. Here with the Moon card also, if I can see some secrets, some disappointments are there. Maybe what you're thinking, it is the Wheel of Fortune, or something that you're going ahead, it is not the same. Or it also says one more thing. I wouldn't say the greed or anything about it, but if you are so much behind this thing, sometimes it turn out to be fake, because your eyes just see what it looks like. The greed make you see what it looks like. Like you say that all that glitters is not gold. So it is the same thing. It could be fake. So think accordingly. Whatever clarity you're getting it, which is leading you to this fortune, with this Wheel of Fortune, the turning of the wheel. You're the one who is riding the steering wheel and everything. So think twice about it. Whether in the whole reading, I would say think about it. Don't go just blindfoldedly. Here the things are little dicey. They are behind the wheel. All the information is not being given to you. There are the secrets. Some disappointments are there here. Somebody is coming to ask you also. Some justice is going to happen. So whatever it is, take the responsibility of your actions. Move forward. Think twice about making any decision, or about the Hierophant also. If anything it is there related to custom, tradition, any contract or this thing, think 100 times before signing, or if you have signed it, then go accordingly. Okay Capricorns, this is all that I can tell you. So best of luck. All I can say is, if you like the reading, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.